everybody. I'm SHiHO, very cheerful Japanese, born and raised in Japan. I've been using HelloTalk for almost 4 years and a half. I've been learning English and a little bit of Spanish. I love to sing, draw pictures, and cook. I also love dogs, sewing, and DIY. It's fun to share with people who have the same interests. When I first started using HelloTalk, I thought it was just an app for exchange languages. But now, I've made many friends all over the world. Today, I'd like to talk about my HelloTalk friends. The purpose of HelloTalk is to exchange languages with people from abroad. But I also made Japanese friends who are learning the same language. I'm a member of a group called Positive Vibes on HelloTalk. We all love to talk and learn languages. It's very comfy to connect with friends who have the same vibes. The members of this group all live far away, but it's like a family home. Every day, conversations are exchanged in Japanese and English. We share interesting and wonderful things, personal stories, travel consultations, and various topics. On someone's birthday, we always sing a song together. I'm really happy to have met this wonderful group. I enjoyed dubbing in English and Japanese with the Japanese HelloTalker. It made many HelloTalkers laugh. I've known him since he just started HelloTalk, and his English skills have been improving. I think when you learn a different language, one of the most important things is to enjoy the learning process. Let's go!
Hey, how's it going, John?
Hey, Duffy. Not too bad.
Not too bad. Sounds like something's not so good.
No, really. Everything's fine.
I also made a close friend. We talk every day, always laugh, and sometimes cry together. We are just like sisters. She gave me a digital art she drew on my birthday. I really love it. On HelloTalk, she introduces a lot about the attractions of Japan. Check out her moments too. Well, I met an irreplaceable person on HelloTalk. He's not using this app now, but I've kept in touch with him. I didn't even know his face the first year on HelloTalk, but now he turned into something more. We have the same tastes and sense of values. I have so much in common with him. We've been talking every day for over 3 years. But we haven't seen each other in person yet because of the pandemic that broke out right after we promised to meet. But we've been spending a good time. We made pendants and had our favorite phrase engraved on them. Woo! I think HelloTalk is not only a place to learn languages, but also a bridge to connect people. I'm happy to be one of the HelloTalkers. I hope many HelloTalkers connect with wonderful people. Anyway, December 15th is HelloTalk's 9th birthday. Happy birthday!